check it out. This is our Crafternoon creation. It's a paper airplane. Whoa, that just flew far away. Hi, it's me, K10, and today I'm so excited to show you how to make a paper airplane using just a piece of paper. Wait a minute. What's that?
Hello, hello. Hi, K10.
Wow, it's so great to see you. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Denise.
Guess what I was about to do?
What?
I was about to make a craft with just a piece of paper.
I love crafts. What kind of craft?
Oh, I love crafts too. I was making a paper airplane.
Woohoo!
Say, would you want to make this craft with me?
Yes, of course.
Yes! Wow, it is so much fun to have a Crafternoon with a friend.
Yes.
All right, I just gotta get a piece of paper and make sure you go get one too.
Oh, I'll be right back. Paper.
Okay, everybody's got their paper?
Yep.
Fabulous. Okay, watch to the end to see these paper planes fly. Let's get making.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So, to make a paper airplane, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our piece of paper just like this. We're going to fold it in half, like so, the long way. We're gonna use our thumb to press the bottom, just like that. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to take this end of the airplane and you're gonna fold it down to meet the side, just like so. And you're going to crease it like that, nice. Then you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And the best thing about making a paper airplane is no matter how you make it, it'll all fly differently. And some planes will make a loop-de-loop, some planes will fly far, some planes might do a nosedive into the ground. It doesn't matter. And the fun is making a bunch of paper airplanes once you know how to make one, and you can experiment. So now that we have that, we're going to fold this down, just like that, to make our wings. So you see there? We just made a wing there. We're gonna do the same on the other side, just like that.
I think I'm gonna decorate mine a little bit. Maybe I'll write my name on it.
Are you ready? Let's show each other our planes in 1, 2,
3.
Ta-da!
Look at yours, K10. Wow, that looks so great.
Thank you.
Oh, look at mine, look at mine. It's all pink and flamingo-y.
Oh, wow, I love your plane.
Oh, I can't wait to fly it.
Oh yeah, it's time to fly. Come on, let's go fly our planes. This is gonna be so much fun.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Here we go. Whoa! Wow! Well, thank you so much for making a plane with me. I can't believe we made this paper plane out of
Just a piece of paper.
Well, thank you for having another Crafternoon with me, K10.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Thank you so much for making a craft with me. I can't wait for you to see what craft is next.